Hi guys, we are BSID1C. Today we will discuss computation using Java operators.
Arithmetic operators are used in mathematical expressions in the same way that they use in algebra. There's a good chance you'll recognize them by their counterparts in the basic mathematics. The only symbol that might look new to you is modulus, which divides one operand by another and returns to the remainder and its result. Let me show you some examples.
Now let's declare the value of A to 450 and B is equals to 100. System.out.print line, double quotation mark, the sum is, colon, then open and close parentheses, A plus B. Now, let's see. And now, how if I want to declare the value of A and B before I put an operation? First, import java.util.asterisk semicolon so I can call scanner. Then static scanner console is equals to new scanner system.in. System.out.print, enter the value of A. Gotta do the same for B.
In subtraction, it subtract right-hand operand from left-hand operand. I will change the plus sign to minus sign. Multiplication, it multiplies value on either side of the operator. And again, I will just change the sign to asterisk. Division, it divides left-hand operand by right-hand operand. For example, modulus, It divides one operand by another and returns to the remainder in its result. For example, I will declare A as 50 and B as 4. Its result is 2 because it only shows the remainder.
Remember that in precedence order, the multiplication, division, and modulus have the same precedence order, and these three have a higher precedence than addition and subtraction. When operators have the same level of precedence, operation are performed from left to right. Just remember, the term it stands for bracket, parenthesis, modulus, multiplication, division, addition, and subtraction. Let me give you some examples. All operations. Total is equals to 5 plus 6 minus 8 divided by 2 times 11 modulus 3. Total is equals to 9 because it will start. Total is equals to 9 because it will start on 8 divided by 2 equals 4, then 6 minus 4 equals 2. 11 modulus 3 is equals 2, then 2 times 2 equals 4. 5 plus 4 equals 9.
Relational operator is used to compare two numbers and return a Boolean value. In relational, there are 6 operators. First, the equal to. It checks if the values of two operands are equal or not. If yes, then condition becomes true. Example, let's declare the value of A to 20, then B is equal to 10, using equal to. The result will be false because 20 is not equal to 10. Second is not equal to. It checks if the values of two operands are equal or not. If values are not equal, then conditions become true. Example, A is not equal to B is true because 20 is not equal to 10. Third is greater than. It checks if the value of left operand is greater than the value of right operand. If yes, then condition becomes true. Example, A is greater than B is true because 20 is greater than 10. Fourth is less than. It checks if the value of left operand is less than the value of right operand. If yes, then condition becomes true. Example, A is less than B is false because 20 is greater than 10. Fifth is greater than or equal to. It checks if the value of left operand is greater than or equal to the value of right operand. If yes, then condition becomes true. Example, A greater than or equal B is true. And the last one is less than or equal to. It checks if the value of left operand is less than or equal to the value of right operand. If yes, the condition becomes true. Example, A is less than or equal to B is false.
Logical operators are typically used with the Boolean values. When they return the Boolean value. However, the and or operators actually return the value of one of the specified operands. So, if these operators are used with non-Boolean values, they may return a non-Boolean value. Number 1, it is called logical AND operator. If both the operands are true, then the condition becomes true, otherwise false.
In this example, I will use a scanner to enter a value for a variable. Import java.util.asterisk semicolon static scanner input is equals to new scanner system.in. Oops. Then I will compare the statement using logical AND. First, I will declare the bar 0 and number is equals to 20. Boolean condition. System dot out dot print enter the value for variable, then bar is equals to input dot next int. Let's make the condition for value. Condition is number and the symbol and for AND gate, then 3 is greater than 2. System.out.print the output is plus condition. Let's try to run it. If we put up value for variable that is greater than to the number which is 20, example 21, then the output is false because the condition is in AND gate, 2 operands must be true, false otherwise. And if we enter a value that is less than the number 20, then the output will become true. Example 9, because 3 is greater than 2, that is true, and 20 is greater than 9.
Number 2. It is called logical OR operator. If any of the two operands are non-zero, then the condition becomes true.
Let's change the AND to OR and 1. We all know that 1 is less than 2. If we try to execute it, example 22, the output is false. Why? Both operand is false. 1 is not greater than 2 and number is not greater than 22. Let's try to execute it again. Then the output is true.
Number 3. Called logical NAND operator used to reverses the logical state of its operand. If the condition is true, then logical NAND operator will be false.
If we put 22, which is false because number is not greater than 22. The output is true.
Assignment operator assigns a value to its left operand based on the value of its right operand. There are following assignment operators supported by a Java language. 1. Simple assignment operator assigns the value from right side operands to left side operand. Example: C is equals to A plus B. It will assign value of A plus B into C. And assignment operator. It adds right operand to the left operand and assigns the result to the left operand. Example: C plus equals A is equivalent to C equals C plus A. Subtract and assignment operator. It subtract right operand from the left operand and assign the result to left operand. Example: C minus equals A is the equivalent to C equals C minus A. Multiply and assignment operator. It multiplies right operand with the left operand and assign the result to the left operand. Example: C times equals A is equivalent to C equals C times A. Divide and assignment operator. It divides left operand with the right operand and assign the result to left operand. Example: C divide equals A is equivalent to C equals C divide A. Modulus and assignment operator. It takes modulus using two operands and assigns the result to left operand. Example: C modulus equals A is equivalent to C equals C modulus A.
Increment-decrement operator is one of the variation of arithmetic operators. It is unary operators. When it say unary, it operates on one operand. Increment operator is used to increment value stored inside variable in which it is operating. And decrement operator is there are two.
Sige na, ikakat naman yun.
Ano talaga pa rin? And decrement operator is used to decrement value of variable by 1, the default. There are two types of increment and decrement operator. The one is pre-increment and pre-decrement operator. And the second is the post-increment and post-decrement operator. Take note of that. Pre-increment means increment variable after evaluating the expression. Pre-decrement means decrement variable after evaluating the expression. Post-increment means increment variable before evaluating the expression. And post-decrement means decrement variable before evaluating the expression. Let me show you some examples. I will declare the value of A as 1. And B as 1. C is equal to A increment plus 5. And D is equal to increment B plus 5. System.out print and ln. Post increment equals plus D. And system.out print ln, then pre increment equals plus C. Ba't mali? Ganun. May error eh, no?
Mas na kayo mag-ano?
Init. May error, di ba? No, ba't na?
That's all. These operators can help anyone improve their codings and can help them like the one of the examples on increment-decrement operator. You can update the value of one variable even you don't have many operands. Hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching.